Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are resonating with the readings, and I'm really happy the way I'm getting feedbacks now and the way you all are leaving your comments in the videos. It is encouraging me and making me to bring in different videos, and I think you all are happy even with the videos coming now. Like I've started even other than tarot cards, the other videos. Now this is a deck which I have used very less. In fact, I still remember when I had picked up these cards, the angel tarot cards. I wanted to bring in an exclusive course of the angel tarot cards related to our the angels, which there are a lot of angels. People think there are only these 7 archangels. There are few angels, but with little different angels as to which angel will can connect with which card and how we can do a healing along with the reading. But then because of my time schedule, that couldn't happen. So anyways, I just felt like sharing, so I'm sharing. Let's see which card is coming today. 9 of Earth. That's a beautiful color. So today you'll be enjoying luxuries, you'll be spending time alone. Now when they say self-employment, I feel some good business income is what is coming today. Some sort of abundance is coming. Also, when I'm seeing this card, I have a very strong feel that those who are in business, they will grow one step further. And if any of you is planning to start a business, then this card is an indication that you should start and you should work towards it. And also I would like to say that when it says enjoy life's little luxuries, maybe you should take a time out. Maybe you are too stuck with your work, so you need to take a break. You need to plan to take a day off and just spend time doing what you like doing. So now let's see, but I still want to pull another card, so I'm taking out the first card. Let's see which is coming. Ace of Water. Now the earth and water's combination itself in it is beautiful. It says spiritual growth, a new home. If someone is planning to buy a home, book their home today, then that's the day. If someone is planning to work on picking up or planning to go around seeing a home, then also this card is an indication. Let me pull one more card and then I will see combined what is it that I feel as a reading. But it's a beautiful combination. The earth, the water, and the hermit. That's more like icing on the cake. So if you see, overall the cards are saying spend some time for yourself today. So maybe that is what the card is indicating, that you need to spend some time for yourself. You need to work on discovering yourself. And I feel with the full moon just over, it is time to let go and accept yourself the way you are, love yourself the way you are. Today is going to be a day of abundance, a day of all good things. Also maybe unexpected money, unexpected growth. I just want to say one thing here, because the hermit has come. I'm going to give you a close view of this beautiful hermit. Look at him. That's the Archangel Raziel. Okay, look at him and call on him. Tell him, Archangel Raziel, I seek your help. I seek your guidance for you to come and give me a path of enlightenment, for you to impart your wisdom to me so that I will know which part of journey I should progress and how I should progress in the journey, and what is the way for me to be successful. And I'm sure he's going to show you the way. I'm 100% sure about that. Today the color will be blue. Somehow I'm attracted with the color blue, so wear a light blue or a dark blue today if you can do that. And today also in the evening, whenever you get free time, go to some temple or at home, chant the Shri Suktam and offer some jaggery in front of Lakshmi when you're chanting the Shri Suktam, and then you and your family members can have it. Have a beautiful and an abundance filled day today. Thank you.